to develop this product. அதில் அப்படி என்ன இருக்குன்னு கேட்குறீங்களா? It's not just about the product. It's about the mechanism, the posing techniques, comfort level, safety measures. லிட்ரலாக ஒவ்வொரு டீட்டெயிலும் பார்த்து பார்த்து பண்ணியிருக்கோம். And it took almost 5 samples for us to get here. I'm so glad our newborn posing stand is hitting market today, and I can't wait to see what's store to grab this newborn photography posing stand, which is going to be a game changer in your photography journey. The joy of sharing fruits of your hard work is வேற level. I'm so glad today. Thank you for watching.